taking refuge under this rock. It's probably a good time to have some coffee. I'm gonna use the stick stove today. I hope you can hear me with the creek in the background there. This is for the alcohol stove, so I don't need that. Well, it looks like the rain has stopped. In fact, it never really got started. It just kind of dripped a bit, and I thought it was going to rain more, so I found this cool outcropping. It's pretty neat. Might be a good place to camp sometime. Just listen to the creek. Right now I'm just going to drink my coffee. Then once I'm done this, I'll get packed up and do some more fishing. I fished for a good 45 minutes before settling down for coffee, and I just caught one tiny little cutthroat trout, so I don't know if it's because it's September or maybe it's just a bad fishing day. Bad fishing day for me. But I imagine this creek slows down in the winter before it freezes up. But usually I get a little more out of this creek, so it's a little slow today, but that's okay. It's still a great day, and I'm still going to have a great time. Alright, coffee, and then some more fishing. Alright, so these are called coral tooth fungus, and they are edible mushrooms. This one's starting to get a bit ripe. You can tell it's starting to get a little brown on the edges here, and eventually it will turn like a darker brown and it'd be too tough to eat, but these ones are perfect. And I'm gonna grab a couple of these and cook them with steak tonight. They smell so good. We'll save this one. Oh, there's another one hiding under here. Oh, this one's perfect. Oh, yeah, this one's very fresh.
well, I guess it just ended up being those couple little cutthroat trout for me today. Just still a great day. Thanks for coming along, and hope to catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.